Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can cover our face on TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our TikTok application and we can click on this plus button to start creating a new post on TikTok. And I'm just going to upload a video from my gallery. And I'm going to cover this girl's face with emoji. We can click on the sticker, select emoji, and here you can choose the emoji that you like. And I'm gonna go with this emoji. We can zoom in or zoom out. You can use both of your fingers and you can tap on the emoji, select pin, and we're going to adjust the position. Wait, I'm going to zoom in. Then you can drag this arrow to the first part of the video. Then you can adjust the position like this one by one to make the emoji follow the moving face. Okay. You can do it one by one until the rest of your video. Once you're done, you can click on pin and hold on. Wait guys. Okay, and this is the result. Then you can post this video to your TikTok by clicking on next. Then you just need to click on post. Alright guys, and that's how we can cover our face with emoji on TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.